In the definition of the transpose of the matrix, let A be a given matrix of order is m by n. The n by n matrix is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a given matrix. Then is called the transpose of A and it is denoted by the A dash. See, in the definition of the transpose of the matrix, let A be an m by n matrix. The n cross m, that is the n by m matrix, is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of the given matrix. That is called the transpose of A and it is denoted by the A dash. Here we write that is A is equal to Aij of order is m by n, then a transpose of this given matrix A dash is equal to A dash of Ij of order is n by n, where A dash of Ij is equal to Aj. For example, the given matrix A is equal to having elements 3, 2, 0, 1, 4 and 7. Okay, this is our given matrix. Of order is here having 3 rows and 2 columns, that is 3 by 2 matrix. Then the A dash or the transpose of A is the A dash or A transpose is obtained by interchanging its rows and column. But is obtained by interchanging its rows and column. Therefore, here having the first row having element 3 and 2, then A dash is 3 2 0 1 4 7, having 2 rows and 3 columns. Same. In this example, A be a given matrix of order is 3 by 2 and A dash, that is the transpose of A, is obtained by interchanging its rows to its column. Then A dash is obtained by interchanging the rows and column of the given matrix and is of order is 2 by 3. Is of order is 2 by 3. Okay, this is an example of transpose of matrix. In this problem, we have given the two matrices A and B, and we have to verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. See, in this problem, we have given the two matrices A and B, and we have to verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. First, we have to find the product of two matrices. Therefore, the product of A and B is equal to the first matrix A is -1, 2, 3, -4, -5, 0. Matrix B, row wise element 3, -1, 2, 4, 0, 5. Product of two matrices is, now multiply the first row to its first column. Then this one -1 into 3, -3 plus 8. Multiply the first row, second column. Therefore, here 1 plus 0. Multiply the first row to its third column. Therefore, this one is -2 plus 10. Now multiply the second row to first column. Then this one is 3 into 3, 9, minus 16. Now multiply the second row to second column. This one is -3 plus 0. Multiply the second row, third column. Then this one is equal to the 6 minus 20. Now multiply the third row to its first column. Then this one is 15 plus 0. Multiply the third row to its second column. Then this one is minus 5 plus 0. Multiply the third row to third column. Then this one is 10 plus 0. Therefore, the product of matrices is minus 3 plus 8. This one is equal to the 5. 1 plus 0. This one is 1. Minus 2 plus 10. This one is equal to the 8. Here 9 minus 16 is equal to minus 7. Minus 3 plus 0. This one is equal to the minus 3. 6 minus 20. This one is equal to the minus 16. Okay, this one is equal to the minus 40. 15 plus 0. This one is equal to the 15. Minus 5. And last one is 10. Therefore, the product of two matrices A and B is equal to, having row wise element is 5, 1, 8, minus 7, minus 3, minus 14, 15, minus 5 and 10. Okay, with the product of A and B. Now, we will find the transpose of this product. Therefore, the transpose of AB is, therefore, the transpose of AB is, the transpose of product is obtained by interchanging the rows and column of this matrix. Therefore, its first row interchange to its column. 5, 1, 8. Here the second row is minus 7, minus 3, minus 14. Interchange to its column, that is minus 7, minus 3 and minus 40. Here the third row is 15, minus 5 and 10. Interchange to its column. Then this one is equal to the 15, minus 5 and 10. That is, the transpose of AB is obtained by this matrix AB by interchanging its rows and column. Okay, say equation number 1. Now, B transpose into A transpose. The B transpose say the given matrix B is having elements 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 0, 5, and matrix A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 5 and 0. Now we have to find the product of B transpose into A transpose. The B transpose is obtained by the given matrix B by interchanging its rows and column. Therefore, here the first row is 3, minus 1, 2. 3, minus 1, 2. And second row is 4, 0, 5. 4, 0, 5. Okay. Here, this B transpose is obtained by the given matrix B. Also, the A transpose is equal to, that is obtained by the given matrix. Here, the first row is minus 1 and 2. Interchange to its column, minus 1 to 2. Here, the second row is 3, minus 4. Interchange to its column. Here, the third row is 5, 0. Interchange to its column. That is, here, B transpose and A transpose is obtained by interchanging its rows and column of the matrix B and A. Then this one is equal to. Now, the product of two matrices is obtained by multiplying its first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, third row, first column, third row, second column, and third row, third column. Now we multiply the first row to its first column. That is here minus 3 plus 8. Multiply the first row, second column. This one is 9 minus 16. Multiply the first row to third column. This one is 15 plus 0. Multiply the first row, first column. This one is equal to the 1 plus 0. Multiply the second row, second column. This one is equal to the minus 3 plus 0. Multiply the second row, third column. This one is equal to minus 5 plus 0. Multiply the third row to its first column. This one is equal to minus 2 plus 10. Multiply the third row, second column. This one is equal to the 6 plus 6 minus 20. Multiply the third row, third column. Here 10 plus 0. Then this one is equal to 8 minus 3. This one is equal to the 5. 9 minus 16. This one is equal to minus 7. 15. 1 plus 0. This one is equal to 1. Minus 3 plus 0. This one is equal to minus 3. This one is equal to minus 5. Okay. Minus 2 plus 10. This one is equal to the 8. 6 minus 20. Minus 14. 10 plus 0. This one is equal to 10. Same. Equation number 2. Therefore, from the equation 1 and 2, we write therefore from the equation 1 and 2, we have AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Therefore, from the equation 1 and 2, we have or we write AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. In the definition of determinant of a matrix, here A is a square matrix. See, in the definition of determinant of the matrix, A is a square matrix of order is n. Then this matrix A can be written as in this form, that is in determinant A11, A12 up to so on A1n. Second row, first column element is A21, A22 up to so on A2n, up to so on ANn. Okay, that is here the given matrix is a square matrix of order is n. Then it can be written in this form. Then is called the determinant of A. Then is called the determinant of A, and it is denoted by the determinant of A, that is A lies between two vertical lines. Okay, then it is called the determinant of A. Say in the definition of the determinant of the matrix, a matrix is a square matrix of order is n. Then this square matrix can be written in this form. Okay, here having two vertical lines, and between these two vertical lines having the elements A11, A12 up to so on A1n, A21, A22 up to so on A2n, up to so on ANN. Okay, then it's called the determinant of A, and it is denoted by the determinant of A. That is, this A lies between two vertical lines. Okay, then this is denoted by determinant of A. Call it determinant of A. That is, A lies between two vertical line. Okay, this is the definition of determinant of matrix. For example, if A is equal to having elements 1, 3, 2, 0, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 0. Okay, then the determinant of A is, say here given matrix is A, then the determinant of A is 1, 3, 2, 0, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 0. Then this one is equal to, the determinant of A is equal to, here 1 into, okay, this one element is A1 1, 0, minus 2, minus 3 in bracket, 0 minus 1, plus 2 in bracket, 0 plus 1. Then this one is equal to minus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Then this one is equal to 3. Therefore, here the determinant of A is equal to the 3. That is, the value of determinant of A is 3.